morning, guys. It's pretty windy and amazing weather, and we are on our way to Mount Gambier. It's a beautiful weekend, and although I would prefer it to be sunny, but this weather is not half bad. Let's see how our weekend goes. Brekkie time.
Yeah.
From one food place to another, from brekkie to lunch. We are at Woody's Cafe in the town Hamilton. The rating is good. Let's see how it goes.
Peaks Metro. Stop number 3 in a 3-hour drive. I don't know what we will do अगर हम सिडनी चले गए गलती से by car.
यही करेंगे, अपनी गाड़ी, अपना टाइम, अपना रास्ता. After 6 hours of driving, we are here and it's pretty fucking windy. We are at our first stop, which is the Blue Lake Lookout, considering that we were supposed to check into our Airbnb at 3 o'clock, but we did not know that there's a time difference and it's 3 o'clock in Victoria, but not in South Australia. It's 2, I think it's a half an hour difference. So we've just come out to the lookout and let's go. Okay. Can you see the freaking blue water? So beautiful. There are 2 ways to go, 12 form and of easy gradient. So either we can go this or this. Let's go here. We are taking the steep trail, and as you can see, the water is so blue. It's a steep one, the other one was well formed. Okay, so we are taking the road not taken. It's a volcanic crater. Okay, now it actually looks like a crater, but the crater is so huge. Let's just walk and see the rest of the 2 small lakes. Okay, we're at Fuhu Lookout. Small lake, वहाँ पे छोटू सी. My blue, with this beautiful blue. What a beauty! What a beauty! Come on, let's go back now. Time to go to our Airbnb because it is officially 3 here at 3:30 in Melbourne. One room, gotta suss out the rooms to take which one I want. It's nice, attached washroom. Okay, so we are at the Sunken Gardens. Looks pretty beautiful. And these 2 individuals deciding if they want jackets or not.
Just going to keep our jackets because there is no need apparently.
Which I says. I don't know who wrote it. Beautiful view of the sinkhole garden. Again, so beautiful. It's the behind the scenes of the front of it. Mandatory matcha stop. This girl's not having it because she thinks I'm cray cray. But yeah, after 2 coffees, I did not have the second coffee. I just had 1 coffee and few sips from the second coffee. So I deserve 1 evening tea. And that's matcha from me.
You know, a friend of mine had told me that if you're having a matcha, that is your cheat meal for a week. You should not have it daily or even regularly because of A, calories, and B, because we already drink so much caffeine. We are at Little Blue Lake, our third spot. I think this sinkhole is the Little Blue Lake, 25 meters deep. And deepest is 47 meters. Snorkeling and swimming permitted. Nobody really tells you this about Australia, but there's so many flies. You need to carry an insect repellent at all times. We need it right now. And it's too bad. They're too annoying. Way too irritating. Everything looks really good over here. Even the vibe. I'm so sorry, but this has to be the best thing I've seen. This is a local masalacho. ये मैंने literally, I saw this book today on Instagram. Best part about today, getting this book from the Little Ripper library and being able to pass it on later on. I really like this collective feeling. My favorite. Even she got a book. Which book did you get, Sho?
Window shopping. It's too cold outside.
Good place. Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to day 2. It's time for, as you know it, if you can guess it, brekkie time. Town looks beautiful this morning. Everything I dreamed of about Pangaea is over. Or maybe I'm just hungry, who knows. Guys, this girl, basically we didn't get a part of our order. It was served on the wrong table and this girl just went to inquire about it because they were very busy. Even with our rest of the food and the coffees, there was a bit of a delay, and she just went to inquire and they said that by mistakenly they've served it at the wrong table, so they gave us 2 apology cakes and a refund, and they're the sweetest. The food was good, so I would highly recommend this place.
I told them that have you started on the order? If not, you can cancel it. Even if you started, it's fine. I'll take it. So she went back in the kitchen and she checked. She's like, they're about to start. I was like, then just cancel it. That's all right. And I was not hoping for any refund. I thought they'll ask us, give us some credits to come back tomorrow and take coffee or something. But they were very sweet and refunded me, and she literally took me to the dessert section and asked me, pick whatever you want.
Good stuff, good food. A bit of a wait because it was very crowded, very busy cafe. Clearly a favorite of a lot of people, but thumbs up from my side. We are at second spot of the day, which is Robe Obelisk. First was breakfast, brunch actually, and we are we're in Robe, by the way. We've reached our destination, which was 1.5 hours away from Mount Gambier, and now we're here at our first stop, which is the Obelisk, a lookout point. Post this, we're going to go to the beach and some watermelon guava lime juice to keep us hydrated and fresh. The water looks nice, very blue, very green, very dark blue. Its future is precarious. Wow. It was originally all white, but because people couldn't see it, they painted the 2 red stripes so that it's visible from far away. This is so cool. You can bring your car, park it. I like the convenience of it. The sand's so white, water is so blue. Amazing stuff. And post-swim essentials. Almost done with this book. It has been great commentary on office politics, and I'm loving it so far. what the time is. Just chilling, reading, exploring.
Swam, bathed, and ready for some food now. Although the amenities weren't really good, or they were actually just subpar at Broad Beach, Long Beach, I think. Melbourne beaches are much better. I feel like the beach itself was good, but the amenities sucked. They were they were so subpar. I can't even. Anyway, now it's time for some delicious food. Last stop for Gambier is this beautiful scenic lookout point. Most recent volcanic activity on the Australian mainland. Okay, now I'm ready with the insect repellent, with water and with a cap for later use. Good exercise for the day, huh? Hate it. Love it. We've been skipping gym and having unhealthy food. This is perfect. This is supposed to be much more friendly. I hope we don't end up getting sunburned. Oh, we're there. Right there is the lookout. That's the crater created by 2 volcanic eruptions. Oh, there's a proper pathway here. Activities for Mount Gambier, right? No more places?
Oh, yeah, no more places.
On our way back to home now. One thing I know for sure I'm taking away from this trip is a good tan. Even if it's not visible right now. In general, I knew I was getting tanned or getting tan lines in Victoria as well, because we were roaming around so much in the sun and the daylight is a lot. But here for sure. For sure. But sometimes the tan lines are worth it.
Yeah.
Always eating or eating?
Correct. Like, yeah.